Hey guys, it's a rainy day in Waverly. Sorry, thought that was somebody from our church. Um, it's a rainy day off in Waverly, Tennessee. I'm about to go hang out with my sister via online. We're gonna watch ourselves some anime and play some games. Well, one game, but we'll play a couple of rounds. And then we're going to basically try to stay as dry as possible because it's raining. I'm glad I didn't plan on mowing the yard today because that wouldn't be happening. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead, make my way back home, and try to get some lunch going before I call my sister up. And later today, Rachel and I will be going vote and do some voting. This will be my first time voting as a Tennessean, so we shall see how that goes. And what else? Alright, well, if there's anything else that happens, we'll be going to the next clip. Other than that, I will talk with you guys later. Hey guys, yeah, about that whole voting thing, yeah, that didn't happen today because we got our hours mixed up. We thought it closed at 5, but actually closed at 4, so we didn't make it to the voting place today, but we'll try to vote before the early voting ends. Other than that, I'm about to have some food on the table. So I'm going to be doing that and then just relaxing for the rest of the evening with Rachel and Sophie. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Thursday, and I will talk with you guys later.